Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Foods with super healing powers. Whether you're recovering from an illness or surgery, the foods and beverages you consume can either help or hinder your recovery. Many foods, including fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and protein sources, have been shown to reduce inflammation, improve immune function, promote healing, and provide the fuel necessary for you to get on the mend. Here are the best foods to help you heal. Number 1. Eggs. Following surgery, your body needs significantly more protein than the current. Eggs are not only an excellent source of highly absorbable protein, providing 6 grams per large egg, but also nutrients that support immune health and wound healing. Whole eggs contain vitamins A and B12, as well as zinc, iron, and selenium, all of which play vital immune roles. Number 2. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables like kale, spinach, arugula, mustard greens, and Swiss chard are packed with nutrients that decrease inflammation, enhance immune function, and improve wound healing, making them the perfect choice to promote recovery. Leafy greens are high in vitamin C, manganese, magnesium, folate, and provitamin A, all of which are essential for immune function and overall health. In fact, research shows that certain polyphenols, including the antioxidant quercetin, that are concentrated in green leafy veggies, may help suppress the production of inflammatory proteins like TNF-alpha. Number 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like almonds, pecans, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and hemp seeds are a great choice for fueling your body during the recovery process. These foods provide plant-based protein, healthy fats, and vitamins and minerals that support healing. For example, nuts and seeds are a good source of zinc, vitamin E, manganese, and magnesium. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant in your body, protecting against cellular damage. It's also critical for immune health. Number 4. Poultry. Specific amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein, play important roles in wound healing and immune function. Poultry, including chicken and turkey, pack glutamine and arginine, 2 amino acids that may aid recovery and healing. Glutamine provides cellular protection during times of stress, such as illness and injury, while arginine assists collagen production and wound healing. Number 5. Organ meats. Organ meats are some of the most nutritious foods you can eat. They boast many immune-supportive nutrients, including vitamin A, iron, zinc, B vitamins, and copper, which is needed for the production of connective tissue and collagen. Vitamin A, which is essential for proper immune cell response, helps inhibit inflammatory cells and is critical for skin health and wound healing. Additionally, organ meats are an excellent source of protein, which is necessary for recovery after surgery and illness. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. Eating healthy high-carb foods, such as sweet potatoes, is important for recovery. Carbs not only provide the energy your cells require for healing, but also enzymes like hexokinase and citrate synthase, which aid wound repair. In fact, inadequate carb intake may impair wound healing and delay recovery. Sweet potatoes are nutritious carb sources that are packed with anti-inflammatory plant compounds, vitamins, and minerals including vitamin C, carotenoids. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.